In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a Google Business Profile post to your local business profile, and I'm going to share the strategies that I recommend using when you do this. So you're going to go to your Google Business Profile. There's a couple ways that you can get here. If you're logged into the correct email address, you can just search for your business name and it'll show up. Or you could go to Google Business Profile. You can just type this into your search bar. You can go here and then you can make sure you're logged in to the correct Gmail account, and then you will be able to see your profile. Click on it and you'll end up with a screen that looks like this. Google used to have it look more like a back-end dashboard, and now it's directly embedded into the Google results page. So once you're here, you'll see an area that says posts. I want you to click on that. And then when you open it, you'll hit add post. All right, now that you've added the post, you can write a description. You have 1,500 characters for your description. I recommend using over 1,000 of them. You want your content to be very, very detailed and comprehensive. And you can see here that I've written a Google Business Profile post in a Google Doc. What I always recommend doing is starting your post with what you do and where you do it, telling Google over and over again what you do and where you do it. And this post is particularly about YouTube SEO strategy. And so I've written this and it's long and it says what we do, where we do it. And now I'm going to copy and paste this into the description here. You now have an opportunity to schedule this post. Is it an update? Is it an offer? Is it an event? This is an update. There's three different options. You can put an offer of like by the end of the month, you can get 10% off. You can have an event, such as if you're a yoga studio, you might have a new member event or something next month, and you can add that there. You can now schedule the post as well for a later date. The next thing that's really important is a button. You have different options here. If you're really pushing a product or service, you can do things like book, order online, buy, etc., sign up, call now. Most of our content's educational, and we do that on purpose so that everything is not advertising. Call now, buy, book, order. By creating educational content, we believe that we're adding more value to our audience. And I'm going to grab our homepage link. And when I do this, I want to make sure to get the full HTTPS version of it, right? Versus just this URL. So I'm going to snag this. And now I'm going to drop an image or a video. Interesting thing here is you can do either images or videos. Your videos can be no longer than 60 seconds. So I'm going to go to the recent video that I filmed. It's right here. I'm actually going to retitle this real quick. That's really important. And it's going to say YouTube strategy, digital marketing, Portland. So I'm using a localized keyword in the file name of the video here. I'm going to drop this in. Again, this is about a 45-second video. And here we go. And then I'm going to click post. And that is exactly how you create a Google Business Profile post and how you publish it onto your Google Business Profile.